Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Nothing Phone 2, the latest smartphone from Nothing. This phone has been getting a lot of buzz lately, so I wanted to share my thoughts on it in more detail. One of the things that really stands out about the Nothing Phone 2 is its design. The back of the phone is completely transparent, which gives you a view of the phone's internals. This is a really unique look, and it's definitely something that you'll either love or hate. The transparent back is made of a material called invisible glass, which is actually a very strong and durable type of glass. It's also scratch-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. The back of the phone also has a series of LED lights that light up when you get notifications, answer calls, or take photos. These lights are called glyphs, and they're a really cool way to customize your phone's notification experience. The Nothing Phone 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 778G Plus processor, which is a mid-range chip. It's not the most powerful processor on the market, but it should be plenty fast for most people. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The Nothing Phone 2 has a dual camera system on the back, consisting of a 50MP main sensor and a 16MP ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is 2 MP. The cameras are decent, but they're not the best on the market. The Nothing Phone 2 runs on Nothing OS, which is a custom version of Android 12. Nothing OS is pretty clean and simple, and it's free of bloatware. The Nothing Phone 2 has a 4,500 mAh battery, which should be enough to get you through a full day of use. The phone also supports 33W fast charging. The Nothing Phone 2 is a pretty good phone overall. It has a unique design, a decent set of specs, and a clean software experience. However, the cameras are just average, and the battery life could be better. If you're looking for a unique and stylish smartphone, then the Nothing Phone 2 is worth considering. However, if you're looking for the best possible camera or battery life, then you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more reviews.